Hi, my name is Yostina, a clinician at Brett DiNovi Associates. Today we're going to talk about how you can use the concept of negative punishment in applied behavior analysis, or ABA, to become a better driver. This video covers the BACB 6th edition task list item B5, identify and distinguish between positive and negative punishment contingencies. Let's face it, even the most seasoned driver can fall victim to the occasional lapse in judgment. But fear not, because today we're diving into the world of applied behavior analysis to explore how negative punishment can be a powerful tool for transforming you into a safe and confident driver. So what exactly is negative punishment in ABA? Negative punishment involves removing a desired stimulus following a behavior to decrease the likelihood that the behavior occurs again. Think of it like a gentle nudge in the right direction. When a desired behavior like speeding is followed by the removal of a preferred stimulus like your favorite playlist, it becomes less likely to happen again. This negative reinforcement principle can be a game changer on the road. Here's how we can leverage negative punishment with a dash of ABA to create positive driving habits. The playlist power down. Craft a driving reward system centered around your favorite tunes. Speeding or forgetting your turn signal? Sorry, but that catchy playlist goes on mute for the next trip. Research by Milton Berger 2016 highlights the effectiveness of removing positive reinforcement to decrease unwanted behaviors. Beyond the phone zone, can't resist the urge to check your phone while driving? Implement a phone penalty, a set period after using your phone where leisure screen time is off limits. This strategy aligns with the negative punishment principle outlined by LeBlanc et al. 2003, where removing a desired activity like leisure screen time discourages the undesired behavior, such as phone use while driving. Curbing the cravings. Do you find yourself driving aggressively after a stressful day? Consider linking those aggressive behaviors to a restriction on a post-drive indulgence, like that delicious post-work takeout. This negative reinforcement tactic, as explored by Cooper et al. 2020, aims to decrease the likelihood of the undesired behavior of aggressive driving by removing a positive consequence. Remember, negative punishment is most effective when paired with positive reinforcement. Celebrate your safe driving victories with a quick self-praise or a reward you set for yourself. Here's the secret sauce. Involve your passengers. Family and friends can be your on-the-go cheerleaders. Positive reinforcement works both ways. A simple, good job using your signal from your co-pilot can go a long way. By strategically utilizing negative punishment within the framework of ABA, you can transform yourself into a model driver. Remember, safe driving isn't just about avoiding tickets. It's about protecting yourself and everyone on the road. So buckle up, embrace the science, and let's make our roads a safer place, one negative punishment at a time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to keep disseminating the science.
Bye.